Hey Nashville, let me introduce you to something special that's happening right here in Marshall County. We're City Rustics, and we're bringing the warmth and character of handcrafted woodworking to your homes. You know that feeling when you walk into a room and a beautiful piece of furniture just catches your eye? That's what we're all about. We're taking reclaimed wood, pieces with history and stories to tell, and transforming them into stunning home decor and furniture that'll make your space truly unique. Whether you're looking for that perfect indoor statement piece, like a custom dining table, or wanting to elevate your outdoor living space with handcrafted patio furniture, we've got you covered. Our wall hangings, they're not just decorations, they're conversation starters. We work with premium materials, specializing in white oak and carefully selected milled hardwoods. Each piece is crafted with attention to detail that you can only get from local artisans who truly care about their craft. From the heart of Tennessee to your home in the greater Nashville area, we're here to bring your woodworking dreams to life. Let's create something beautiful together. City Rustics, where Nashville's spirit meets timeless craftsmanship.